Record.
Okay. Hey, you guys, hey, teammate, friends, hey, fam, Angel checking in with a real brief message on how to use your rainbow system and also its accessories. So what I wanted to do is, real quick, just go through a quick tutorial of how to set it up. So you have your dusting tool, you have your crevice tool, and you have your upholstery tool right here that's on the caddy. All right, to open it up, there's a blue button at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it from there. All right, so what you want to do is thumb here and press with your 4, and the hydraulics take over. How to set it up, what you do is you fill it with water right up to that little line there, or to the dome in the center, whichever you can see better. That's the actual fill line. Then you hold it like this, and what you're going to do is slide it all the way to the back, where you can't go no more, and then firmly you want to push down on it. You'll hear that sound, that clicks in place. Once again, press up to actually release it. All right, so that's how you set up your unit. Okay, in the back it has a blue button. Okay, press it, it goes upward, and what that's for is for your cord. You wrap over and under, over and under. When you're ready to clean, it comes right off. So that's a quick how to set up your machine. All right, now over here you have the connection, which is incredible. I've been doing this 30 years. I've yet to see anything even remotely close to this. Very simple. Lay it and push it forward. So you lay it on the front and push it forward. To disconnect it, just firmly press down. That'll disconnect the connection. All right, so there it is. Then you have the power head. Okay, so the power head is right here, and the power head, there's a blue button in the back. You press down, that releases it from the lock. Very, very important. Also press it when you're gonna stand it up. There, it locks it in place. If you don't press that, after 20, 30 times, it just won't stand up anymore in the lock position. In the front right here, you have a blue button here. Press it to this way, and what that does, that opens up vents, so you're able to do your bed mattresses. And then push it to the other side when you're going to do the area rugs or actually carpets. Back here, you have a black lever. With your foot, push down and then lift it up. It'll disengage it. And when you're going to put it back, very important, make sure you align the prongs. Okay, it goes like that. All right. And then once you do this, press it, it releases it there. Then what you would do is you turn the main button, okay? And if you take a look over here, there's a couple of buttons. The main one is in the center. That's the on-off button. Over here has a minus button and a plus button. The minus button is when you're using it just as an air cleaner, all right? And then you keep on hitting the minus to make it lower, lower, lower. It's a total of 4 settings, all right? And then it has a timer, which is right here. And then when you press it once, a light will go on. That's half hour. Press it again, it's 1 hour. And then press it again, it's 90 minutes. So that's how you actually use it as an air filter, and that's using it without the cord. Okay. Once you're ready to vacuum, hit the on button right there. When you hit the on button, it turns the unit on. Okay. And the trigger, when you press it, turns the roller brushes on. Okay. Nothing happens until you press that blue trigger right there. Okay. So that's how you use it as a what you call it, the power head. And let's see here. And then this one is the floor brush for hardwood floors, tile, linoleum, any kind of hard surface. Okay, the way that connects is very simple. Okay, with your foot, press down on it. That'll disengage it, and then you clip it here. This replaces a broom, a dustpan, a dust mop, and an air cleaner. So you sweep your bare floors, and it's cleaning the air at the same time. So those are the attachments. The attachments connect here or up here. Just press the button, that releases it, and also up on top, press the button, and then it releases it, and then you can put any of your tools. This replaces a feather duster or dust rag, cleans your air as you do it, crevices, corners, and obviously for upholstery. So there you have it. That's the parts and usage on your amazing rainbow system. Next, I'll show you how to use your attachments. Okay.